In just a few minutes, I'm going to show you how my family uses Thingiebase to keep track of all the food that we cook ahead of time for ourselves and stash in our deep freezer. We're going to add some food to the deep freezer. So we're going to hit Garage, find the deep freezer, and we're going to add an item. And let's just add some yummy food. So type that in. We're going to create the item. We're going to hit More right here, Print Label. And there we go. And then in Safari, we're going to hit this little button down here, Mobile Safari, and then we got to find Print. This thing is just connected to my Wi-Fi network, so in a few minutes, you can see the label comes out, and look at that. We have a yummy food label. That's very undeniable that a banana is yummy food, especially to one-year-olds. We have a one-year-old who all she wants in the morning is a banana. So we're gonna put this on there, and then we're gonna walk this thing all the way down to the deep freezer where we're gonna store it. So we're gonna put the yummy food inside of there and then close it. Here we are. We've got our home loaded up and we wanna do a search. And type in yummy. And let's see what comes up. Well, we have some yummy food in the deep freezer. All right, we're going down the stairs, back into the garage, to the deep freezer. Let's open it up inside and see what we have in there. Oh, there's our yummy food. That does look mighty yummy. Got a phone, just hit the camera on the thing. And then we get the QR code lined up. We see the link pop up down here and tap on that. And then since we're going to eat this thing, we're going to hit More, and we're just going to remove it from our inventory. Hit Delete. Are you sure? Yes. Okay. And that is it. The yummy food is gone. We just take the label off. So that's how you can use Thingiebase to better manage things in a deep freezer. It's pretty handy. You can just search it for where we are if you get a little bit hungry. And you're just wondering, what's for dinner tonight? Take out your phone, search for it. Type in steak, type in yummy, type in banana. As long as you labeled it before and put it in the fridge, it's going to be good to go for whatever you want to search for it and find it again. If you want to sign up for an account, just go to thingiebase.com, click on the Get Started button, and we'll take care of it from there. It takes just a few minutes. Wow.